Much for that.
All right, a classic button-down shirt, one of those pieces that can make you look effortlessly stylish and feel uber comfortable. It is also a versatile piece that can be styled in many unique ways. This morning, Dahlia will see how close she can get to styling a button-down shirt. Oh, I guess I am the model.
Well.
On me,
Well.
based on the images that will be shown.
All right, let's go, Shauna. I'm ready.
Oh, that's my, ooh,
Okay.
that's a mannequin up myself. Which way? So why you put the table in the middle? Let's move the table over.
Okay. What is it? Mercy said no. First of all, who button up the shirt? Them I know, so what have we? Merciful Father. Clive, you couldn't unbutton the shirt them for me.
This mannequin work is so...
Show it back. Them not give me my seat back.
Shauna, can we see it again?
One hand.
Which? Then this
This
one?
hand,
You?
this hand. I know your style. No, but... right? Oh, man. Clive, go and pull the other button them for me. Or this exercise going to take you up to noon. Hey, TVJ, budget tight, you know. All the button all them couldn't get them bigger. Come not Simone. Like, really, guys? What are they going to charge extra for the button holes? My God. We not counter in charge of the button hole. Like, merciful Father.
My chest felt that.
Telling you, man.
Okay.
Me see it again? Me see it again, Shauna Banana? Okay, this goes... No, sir, this not reach out Simone around there, so. Please note there's not enough fabric to get there.
Oh, I'm not exactly a size 0. Sure.
We're almost there. May I tell you, Shauna, this never need that. I try add the breast.
You're trying to what?
Add the chest.
Hide my chest. Yeah. My chest cannot hide, Aris.
Yeah.
Unbox some.
Right.
What you need to go in the button, Sean?
What needs a button? What this needs a button? Shauna, it really need a piece.
Oh, that's tragedy. Then we can come out of this?
Darling, the button hole. Make you imagine say the button hole, because this is a button hole there. We have scissors.
That's the only way I'm going to get out of it.
Yeah.
It's true, the button hole is crazy.
The button hole is crazy. There you go. All right, one down. Cool. The blouse need to be like a little bit bigger.
We must take off it?
Take off it. We have a next one coming. Come on, Sean, I'm ready.
Woke up this morning.
Jesus,
Jesus, the button hole
number,
for true
I
now.
told you. What's number 2, Shauna? Let me wrap my head around it.
Good job, Clive. Okay. Ooh. Okay, sure, they can be so.
No, that's not bad.
All right.
Come love. That's not bad.
Every mountain.
That's not bad.
This linen is very linen, no?
Mm-hmm.
Take it nicely.
Mm-hmm.
To be with you.
See me can go and button the bottom one there.
You know, you told me to be the mannequin, and now you want me
the bottom one them. No, the bottom one.
Oh, just the bottom one?
Yes.
Wait, this is do uneven.
Like this.
True bye.
So this is where you're buttoning that,
Sure.
right, miss? Right there, sir.
Right there, right there,
Right
right
there,
there. Mr. Tell Wesson, he bite you. Remember that song? Huh? Right there, right there, right there. Burning it.
Yes. There's something fall.
Oh my. You supposed to catch underneath my breasts like this, Harris?
Well,
I feel
now you
like
say you're busty.
I did say that. Are you trying to dispute that?
Here you go.
Chuba Mavan, we need something to shove it into so you can really see the effect. But
Right.
maybe if we do that, then you'll see.
Right. That's who fix it for you, man. So Jody can take a picture. Right, right, right.
Boss, you know, boss, you know, designer around here, you know, part-time.
There you go. Come again, Shauna. What you said now? Come again, Shauna. Come again, Shauna.
I won't show you the back.
No, the back not for sure. She not show her back. Why you think she not show?
All right.
Come, Shauna, let me see the next one.
Jesus, Father.
Come again.
The arm inside the arm.
Okay.
Are you sure that's a button-down shirt?
Yeah.
Georgia.
Okay.
You're gonna just straight jacket green?
No. Put that again, Missy.
This one
Up
nice,
again, one
'cause
more
at least
time.
it'll give me some warmth.
One more time, please. Okay.
Oh, wait,
But
so the
you
body is buttoned, Harris, but the sleeves are tied around.
So you have to
So-
button it there.
Again, give my
Button
box
from about
some
the middle.
nature. Can't button above my... Where Tanya go? Tanya. Aye. There, aye. You can't. You can't button the shirt.
It's a makeshift right now. Sim, why you laughing, girl? We're getting there. No, me have to tight, hush. You got a straight jacket for you. Lord, this is sexual harassment. They were- wait.
We're past there a long time.
Oh my God.
Let me do like the girl in the picture. This one don't feel so
No, she's not going away.
Clearly, I'm not going anywhere. If I go
Someone put
anywhere,
up your hand like the lady in the Yes. 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 Yes.
this is as far as my hand can go because guess
Yeah.
what? Day that time me up.
Yes. We're gone. Everybody leave her. Make we leave someone down.
Don't leave me. I wouldn't be able to get out of
Simone
this.
will be back in the morning waiting on us right here. Tomorrow on Smile.
Simone tries to get out of this blouse. A joke.
We share a few life hacks of parents and we dive into the progress happening at the Helsha Beach.
What are they doing out
great.
there? What are they doing out there?
I don't know, but any progress at Helsha's.
It's good. All right, we're gonna go because this is not gonna go any better. Have a great day today, everybody.